Hello and welcome to today's video, where I'll be showing you how to apply Olixar's ultra-thin tempered glass screen protector to your Samsung Galaxy A51. This has been created with a shatterproof design and an anti-scratch coating, giving your phone's most used aspect the premium protection that it deserves. When receiving your glass protector, you will have a cleaning and application pack. This consists of a cleaning cloth, dust sticker, application stickers and a wet wipe, as well as the screen protector itself. The first stage of applying your protection is to clean any grime and grease from your phone's display with the wet wipe. Secondly, take the cloth and wipe off any excess residue that the wipe may have left. When the screen is completely dry, use the dust sticker and repeatedly stick it onto your screen. This is to eliminate any dust or lint which may be attached to your device. Now that your display looks immaculate, take the screen protection and place the guide stickers either side. This is to help you place the glass shielding onto your phone. Then carefully peel off the plastic from the protector, but make sure you do not touch the sticky side of the screen protector. Once the plastic has been removed, apply the protection onto your display. If you are unhappy with the way it has been placed, you can lift the screen protector off and try again, though I do not recommend doing this numerous of times as the protection will lose its stick. When you're confident in the way the screen protector is situated, press down in the centre of the screen and the protector will begin to stick out from the centre to the edges. Once you are happy with the instalment, give your screen a wipe down using the cloth provided to ensure the screen protector is fitted to perfection. Then remove the guide stickers. Your phone's display is now protected without adding any additional bulkiness. Olixar's screen protector is only 0.3mm thick, which can go unrecognised when on your handset, and fits seamlessly with any phone case which is connected to your handset. If you use your fingerprint to access your device, it is advised that you remove this feature prior to installation. Then reset the fingerprint once the screen protector is attached. This is to ensure your fingerprint is still recognisable when the screen protector is applied to the phone. I believe this screen protector is great value for money. The attachment doesn't cause any interference when scrolling, writing and typing. Also, the quality of the glass shielding provides supreme appeal, looking as good or if not better as the phone would without the protection. If you encounter any problems whilst applying the Olixar screen protector, please comment below and I'll be sure to get back to you. To purchase the screen protector featured in today's video, check out the description and the comments below where you'll find out how to do so. For more content regarding mobile accessories and reviews, please hit our subscribe button. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.